Okay, let's go through what we've already done so far. Okay, the wire size of W4s.
It's going to be a W4 by a W something another. Now it's going to figure that out.
Okay, the spacing is what?
It's 2 by 6.
All right.
2 inches wide by 6 inches long.
Okay. And the outside diameter is you use a micrometer. It's just to measure the outside diameter. You just have to do it once.
I scraped this area, this rust off here to give me a realistic area here.
Okay, and you just put that measurement and you would note it on this sheet of paper right there is original diameter reduced.
Now, the W sizes.
Yeah.
W4 means it's a point. This says area. 0.04 area of that one single war. And they abbreviate that as W4 or whatever.
Okay.
There's my diameter, 0.225 nominal diameter.
Okay, cool. Nominal diameter. .225, and you're also looking at what we consider that as a size number, and you would come over to W4. Okay. Now, what's a W65 for?
This is the stay wire.
Okay. Stay wire, that's a more, it could be longitudinal or vertical, but by the most part it's the longer one. Okay. And that's generally always thicker?
I ain't going to say it's generally. It's the way it is on this.
Okay.
I don't know.
And you got that W6.5 right next to it. Now, do you get you do the same procedure?
Now, the area of this is 0.04.
Okay.
And I didn't show you how I normally calculate it, but I'm going by the chart on this. Now, you're there, you see the cage getting ready to be put in the form or mold, whatever you want to call it.
Mm-hmm.
You want to take 0.04 times 6.
What's a 6 for? 6 feet?
It's back to your spacing.
Okay.
Area per foot of wire.
Okay.
Now, whether you want to count it, whether you count that one or not,
Mm-hmm.
there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 7 pieces on my foot-long piece here.
Okay.
But I would count 6.
Mm-hmm.
Now, like your class 1 you had pulled up on your computer was 0.25.
Okay.
And that shows you there, I've got, by my calculations, a 0.24.
Okay. So you're actually measuring. Give that to me one more time.
You take your area times spacing equals reinforcement. I don't know if the square is actually on there or not.
Okay. So what you would be dealing with are these numbers here.
This is your original diameter. And when we pull all this crap, we reduce the wire down and do a bowl diameter. It's like elongation on a rebar. But we get into it that way.
All right. Your area, these two particular numbers right here, area times spacing, what are we dealing with there? The area would be...
The area is 0.04.
Okay.
Times 6. It's 2 by 6. Spacing equals area. reinforcement.
Okay. Area by force.
Area reinforcement.
Okay.
Now, if this was 3 by 6,
Mm-hmm.
you would times it by 3. Well, it would be by 4. Or no, you would go. You don't
One
count
less?
0. You go 3, 8. No, let me see. 3, 6, 9, 12. You'd have 4 wars per running foot of this crap. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I see what you're saying. Because that's the inches there. Your 2s would be 3s. Mm-hmm. Instead of 6, you would have, yeah. Yeah, I understand you there.
Now,
And that's just based on your spacing there.
I did all this crap not knowing, seeing the cage. I was getting a 4-inch core or so,
Mm-hmm.
and I knew in a 4-inch core, if I didn't see 2 of these wires, it was probably a 3 or 4-inch spacing.
Okay. Yeah. So you'll basically, even through a core, you can find out if it has the right kind of steel in a pipe.
Now, what I need to do is give you this sheet and a copy of this sheet if you're going to try to do this.
Yeah. Yeah, please.
All right. You can keep this.
Thank you.